Hello students, welcome to Siri PathaShale. In the previous class, we have studied exercise 5.2. Okay, we have done problems in that exercise. Today, let us continue with exercise 5.3. Okay, 5.3. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to find the sum of n terms. At the end of the class yesterday, we have also discussed the formula. A formula that states the sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression. What is that formula? That formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula you have learnt in the previous class. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or another way, if an is given, that is nth term is given, same formula can be written in another form, that is n by 2 into a plus an, or an can be replaced by letter L also. Okay, that is n by 2, or you can write the same as n by 2 into a plus L. Both are same. Okay. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This formula can be used only if an last term is given in that question. Okay. That is, if an value is given, this is easy to use this formula. Okay. If an is not given and a and d and n are known, then we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us use this formula and solve the problems in exercise 5.3. In exercise 5.3, let us go with first main. Exercise 5.3. First main, it is find the sum of following APs. First one, very simple one. Always I go with simple problems so all of you can understand it easily. So that sum is 2, 7, 12, etc. to 10 terms it is given. To 10 terms. So we need to find the sum of this series or this AP. Numbers in this AP. Means 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus. Next number will be how much? What is the difference? 7 minus 2 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. So for each term we have to add 5. So 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 5, how much? It is 27. Like this, how many terms we need to find? 10 terms. If we add all those terms, what is the sum? That is the question. But you need not write all the numbers and add them. Let us use the formula. Because here A is given how much? 2. D how much? 7 minus 2 or 12 minus 7. Whatever you can do here. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And n is equal to what? 10 terms. So n value 10. So formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here n by 2. Okay, n by 2, n value how much? That is 10. 10 by 2. Okay, 2a. That is 2 into a how much? 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1. It is 9 into d value how much? 5. So 2 ones are 2, 5s are. So we get here 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 5s are how much? 45. Okay, so 45 plus 4 how much it is? 49. So 5 into 49. Multiply. 5 9s are 45. 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 4. 240, 24, it is 245. This is sum of first terms in this AP. Actually, this formula, now we find it easy, but this formula is first invented by a scientist named Gauss. Okay, when he was in the age of 10 years, 10 years old boy. Okay, then a question was asked to him by his teacher. Find the sum of first 100 positive integers or first 100 natural numbers. From where? 1 to 100. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus till how much? Till 100. It's not so easy, isn't it? It's a tedious work. It takes lot of time also. Okay, then yes, he invented the formula to find the sum of first 100 natural numbers or any. Suppose if the numbers are given in order, then how to find? He used a technique and finally he got this formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula is invented by him. Gauss find out madira formula idu. Actually for first natural 100 natural numbers he used, that is Sn is equal to, here another formula, that is Sn. This formula is derived from this. Okay, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula is a simplified form of that. Which one? When we have natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers means for suppose you want to find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Okay, yes, it is 5050. If you find the sum, you will get 5050. See, let us check now. Use this formula. That is Sn is equal to, let us do this sum. After I think you might have completed this. Let us discuss that sum now. That is, this sum is not given in your textbook. Find the first sum of first 100 natural numbers. That is, Sn is equal to, let us use the same formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is first 100 natural numbers? Means, yes, how many? What is the value of n? N is 100. What is the value of a? 1. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 100. Okay. So what is d? Each time we are going to add 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, like that, isn't it? So common difference is 1. Okay, so Sn is equal to S100 is equal to n by 2. How much it is? N by 2. Okay, 100 by 2. So 2a, that is 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. What is the value of d? It is 1. 99 into d, what do we get? 99. 99 into 1 is 99 only. So it is 550 into 2 plus 99. So 50 into what actually we get? It is 101. Okay, 50 into 101. Sum is 5050. 5050. So here, see here, 100 by 2, n by 2. Okay, n by 2 we have. N plus 1. Okay, n plus 1. Here we have taken 100, isn't it? 100 numbers. 100 plus 1. What is that? 101. Finally, see, we got this only. 50 into 101. Okay, that is n by 2. Okay, n by 2 into n plus 1. This formula can be asked whenever it is asked to find first 100 natural numbers, first sum of first 50 natural numbers or first 1000 natural numbers. In such cases, okay, we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this was invented by the scientist named Gauss, Gauss. Okay, at which age? That is important here. Okay, when he was 10 years old boy. So now let us go with second problem in the exercise. Okay. So even if you use the same formula, you get the same answer here. Okay. Second problem in this exercise is it is in with negative numbers. Okay, series is of negative numbers. Second one in the first main, that is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, etc., etc., etc. How many terms? To 12 terms. To 12 terms. Okay. So see here now, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. It is in which order? increasing order, because as we move to the right, value increases. On the number line, minus 37, next on the right side of minus 37, we get minus 33. Okay, on the right of that, what do we get? Minus 29. So it is in increasing order only. So D should be how much? Of which sign? It is plus sign. Okay, negative numbers idru sa illi number line alli nimge right side hodange value increase agutte, isn't it? 0 1 2 3 4 5 4 like 6 like that, value increases. Okay, so it is in increasing order, so D should be positive. Okay, number nodkonde D negative barbidbedi, it is wrong. Okay, so A first term is minus 37, then D, how do you get? First minus 33 A2 minus of minus 37. So minus 33 minus of minus, that is plus 37. So what do we get? Answer is 4. Okay, 37 minus 33 is 4. It is plus 4. See, you got positive D. And what is the value of n? N is equal to 12. Okay, let us use the formula. This n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, if you don't know anything, at least write the formula, you will get half mark. Okay, ಏನು ಬರಿದ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So it is 12 by 2 2a, that is 2 into minus 37 plus n minus 1. N value how much? It is 12 minus 1. D value how much? Plus 4. So 2 6 are 12, 6 into minus 37 into 2. What do we get? Minus 74. Okay, here 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 4s are how much? 44. Okay, 11 4. Now 6 into minus 74 plus 44. What do we get here? 30. It is minus 30. Okay, minus 30. What is the answer? Answer is 60 into minus 6 3s are how much? 80. So minus 180. Okay, sum of 12 terms is minus 180. Now let us go with fourth problem now. Okay, third problem. It is A12 given and it is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. Find A and S12 it is given. And in the fourth problem, A3 15, S10 125. Find D and A10 it is given. Okay, let us go with the fourth problem. Problem. Okay, what are given? I'm sorry, I am third main, no? Okay. Yes, so second problem in first main over. Now you can do for third and fourth main, it seems. Both are direct questions only. You need to find the value of A and D, especially D. A is known. Okay, you find the value of D. Oh, now let us go with second problem, second main. Okay, it is find the sums given below. Okay, find the sums given below, second main. Series is, or the AP is, it is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash 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 plus 84 plus 84. Okay, 7 plus 10 10 and a half plus 14 plus dash dash dash. Find the last term is 84. You may ask me now, what is the difference between first main and second main? Yes, here there is a difference. In the first main, number of terms are given. How many terms are there? But in this main, second main, it is given last term. A n value is given. Okay, here A n value is 84. A is given and D we can find using this. So yes, first what is A? A is equal to 7. Then B is D is equal to, it is 10 and half minus 7. What do we get? 10 and half is just orally also you can do. How much we get? 10 and half minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again half is there. 10 and half in that 3 and half. Okay, so it is, or we can suppose if you have any confusion, just what do we get here? 10 to 20, 21. 21 by 2 minus 7. So take LCM. If you take LCM, this is 7 by 1. So 2 must be multiplied for both. 21 minus 2 sevens are 14 by 2. What do we get? 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2. 7 by 2, if you convert, what do we get? 3 and half. 2 3s are 6. 1 remains 2, 3 and half. Okay, or 7 by 2. Okay. Now, yes, we got D value also. And what else is given here? A, N, or last term L, it is given. Okay, 84. Now, how do you find the sum of this? To find the sum, if you want to use this formula, what is required? We need N value, N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Or even if you want to use the formula, Sn is equal to A plus L, N by 2 into A plus L, or N by 2 into A plus An. For that also what is required? You need to find the value of N. So how do you find? First, using An value, find the value of N. Okay. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Okay. So substitute all these values now. So An how much? 84. 84 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1. We need to then find the value of N. And D value how much? Let us write in improper fraction form only. It is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7. What do we get? It is 77. So here N minus 1, that is 7N by 2. 7N by 2. Or yes, we can now solve in another method also. Easily we can solve. That is N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Yes, now let us keep N minus 1 here itself. And bring this 7 by 2 to which one? LHS. Okay, when you transpose 7 by 2 to LHS, now we need to multiply by 2 by 7, isn't it? 84 by 7 how much? 77. Into, yes, 7 by 2, that means cross multiplication. Okay, 2 should be multiplied and 7 comes here when you transpose, isn't it? So it is 2 by 7. Or do remember one thing, ಇದರ fraction form ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು LHS ಇಂದ RHS ಹೋಗಲಿ, RHS ಇಂದ LHS ಹೋಗಲಿ, when you are shifting from one side to another form, okay, they interchange the numerator and the denominator. 2 by 7 ಇದ್ರೆ 7 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, or 7 by 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 by 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I am bringing this 7 by 2 to LHS. ಅದನ್ನ LHS ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So this 7 by 2 when you interchange, what do it becomes? That is, what do we call that? Reciprocal. Okay, we write the reciprocal of 7 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 2? That is Viloma, we call in Kannada. Okay, 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 7 ones are 7, 11s are. 11 twos are how much? 22 is equal to N minus 1. Again, transpose minus 1 to LHS. 22, then minus 1 becomes plus 10. Plus 1 is equal to N. So 22 plus 1 how much? 23. So N is equal to what? 23. Okay, N is equal to 23. Now let us use any of the formula. First formula bekadre use madkoli, that is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into 2D, because A, D, N, everything we have. Or another formula directly, that is Sn is equal to to n by 2 into a plus a. I am going to use that formula now. Okay. So now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an or a plus l. Okay, so n value 23 by 2. A value how much? 7 plus a n how much? 84. So 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 how much it is? 91. So how do you find the value of Sn? Multiply 23 into 91 divided by 2. Okay, let us multiply it now. Yes, 23 into 91 in working column you can multiply. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 9 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 27, 9 2s are 18 plus 2 is 20. 3, 9, 0, 2. 2093 by 2 again we have here. Okay, this is equal to 2093 by 2. What do we get? It is 2. It will be in fraction form, isn't it? Because we have odd number. When you have odd number, it is not divisible by 2 and we get a fraction. So finally Sn is equal to 2 1s are 2, 0s are 0, then 2 4s are 8, 1 remains 13, the 2 6 are 12, 1 by 1 remains, so 1 by 2. Okay, 1046 1 by 2, that is sum of this AP, okay, terms of this AP. So Sn is equal to 1046 1 by 2 or 1046 and a half. Now let us go with one more problem of this main. Second one you can do it easily. Let us go with the third one. Here we have negatives. Okay. Now erase all these things. So let us go with next problem. It is third one in second main. Second main, third one. Third one. Given minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dash 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 plus minus 230. Now what do you observe in the series? Is this in increasing order or in decreasing order? It is in decreasing order because the values increases with negative sign. Okay. Here minus 8 with negative sign, 11 negative sign. Okay, numerical values are increasing but with negative sign. So what does it mean? That is in decreasing order. Okay. So here A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 8, minus of minus 5. So answer how much? It is minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. See, we got negative common difference. And An is equal to how much? Minus 230. Nth term is minus 230. Okay, first let us use the formula to find nth term and find the value of n. Okay, how many terms are there? Let us find it first. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. Minus 230 is equal to A minus 5 plus n minus 1 into D. How much? Minus 3. Okay, so minus 230 is equal to minus 5. Simplify this. Minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3. Minus 5 plus 3, what do we get? It is minus 2. Okay, if I shift minus 2 to opposite LHS, what do we get? It becomes plus 2. Plus 2. Okay, here it is here minus 3n. Okay, so minus 230 plus 2, what do we get? It is minus 228 is equal to minus 3n. Both the sides we have negative sign, so they get cancelled. We get 3n is equal to 228. Okay, so 3n is equal to 228. This implies n is equal to 228 by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3, no? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So, the number is divisible by 3. Yes, we get exact n value. How much it is? 3 7s are 21. 1 remains 18. 3 6 are 18. So, n value is 76. Using this value, let us find the value of Sn. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into a plus an. So substitute n value, we got 76 by 2 into a how much? Minus 5 plus an how much? Minus 230 minus 230. It is equal to 38. 76 by 2 is 38. Into here minus 5 minus 2 230. When you add them, what do we get? Minus 235. So into minus 235. Multiply. The product obtained is nothing but what? Sum of this AP. Yes, you can multiply. Okay, that is my 235 into 38. What do we get? 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 0, 13, 9, 8. So, answer is 8,930. 8,930 is sum of this AP. Yes. Simple, no? Now, let us go with third way. Now, let us go with third main first problem. In an AP. Okay. Third main. Third main. First one. In an AP. Given A is equal to 5. D is equal to 3. 5. D is equal to 3. An is equal to 50. 50. Find N and Sn. That is N how much? Sn how much? Okay. See the problem. A value given, D value given. An value given. That is 50. Okay. Now tell me now. We don't have n value as well as Sn value. How can we find? Without n value, can we find Sn? No, it is not possible. Okay. So whichever formula you use, whether it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d andru n value beko, or n by 2 into a plus a n tagondru, we need the value of n. So what to do? First thing, we need to find the value of n. How can you find? An value is given, nth term is given. and other two A and D are given. Use them and find the value of n. So it is actually similar to second main. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an how much? 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d how much? D is equal to 3. Okay, so 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. It is equal to 50 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, then when I shift 2 to LHS, so 5 minus 2, 50 minus 2, 50 minus 2, how much it is? 48. And so 3n is equal to 48. So n is equal to how much? 3 16s are. N value 16. Using this value of n, find the value of Sn. So what is the formula to find Sn? Let us go a little faster. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. You can use another formula also. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n value how much? 16. 16 by 2 into a 5 plus an how much? 50. So it is equal to 2 8s are 16 into 55. How much we get? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 4. It is 440. Okay, so Sn value is, or S16 is how much? It is 440. S16 is equal to 440. 16, sum of 16 terms of this AP. Okay, 440. Next. In second problem, A is equal to 7, A 13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. Okay. D and S13. How do you find the value of D? A13 is given. Okay. If you substitute in this formula, A plus 13, N is equal to 13. So 13 minus 1 into D. Okay, substitute the values. You will get the value of D. After finding the value of D, what can be done? You can use the formula to find which value? S13. 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 First thing, given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, and to find D and S13. D is equal to how much? S13 how much? See, they have given indirectly the value of N. Okay, because here A13 they have mentioned. Okay, A13 and kottumele, what is the value of N? It is 13. So this 35 is 13th term of this AP. Okay, N is equal to 13. Okay, so let us write now A13 is equal to, using the formula, how do you write? A plus 12D. Am I right? N minus 1 into D. Okay, A plus 12D. Substitute the values. A13 how much? 35 is equal to 7 plus 12D. 35 minus 7 when you transpose is equal to 12D. Okay, 35 minus 7 it is 28 is equal to 12D. Okay, then D is equal to what? 28 by 12. D is equal to 28 by 12. How much we get? It is 12. 2s are 24. It is 2. Or here itself you can cancel. It is easy. How much? 4. 3s are 4. 7s are. So 7 by 3. D value 7 by 3 or 2 1 by 3. Now using this value, find the value of S13. Now Sn is equal to, which formula is easy? A13 we know. So directly we can use the second form of the formula, that is n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, substitute n how much? 13. That is S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into a value how much? 7 plus a13 how much? It is 35. So 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 how much? 40. 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13. Okay, 13 twos are 26 plus 1, 27. 273. So S13 is 273. S13 is 13 is 273. Sum of 13 terms. Now let us go with the third problem is of same kind. Third problem. So let me teach fourth one. Okay, this given A3 given, S10 given, find D and A10. Totally different, isn't it? A3 kottidare, S10 ide, A10 we have to find. Okay, so let us do this sum. Given fourth one. Fourth one is A3 is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15. Then what else given? S10 125. S10 125. Find D and A10. D is equal to how much? A10 how much? How do you find this? Okay, we need minimum values, isn't it? A3 kodidare, but we don't know A, we don't know N. Okay, here by this one can understand. Here N value is 3, here N value is 10. Okay, it's 10. But using this, how can you find? Let us use the formula now. Yes, nth term. So that is An is equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 2. A plus n minus 1 into D. If you get A3, how do you write? A3 will be A plus 2D, isn't it? Is equal to what? 15. They have given. So A plus 2D is equal to 15. Let us consider this as the equation. Now I think you got the idea. Okay, we are using the knowledge of simultaneous equations. So S10. Sn formula. What is the formula? It is equal to n by 2. Anyway, we cannot avoid this, isn't it? N by 2 avoid madake agade illa ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So n by 2 into A plus. I will use which one? That last second form, that is An. A plus An. So S10. How can you write using this form? S10 will be n by 2. N value now what? 2. 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 into A. A we don't know. Okay, illu gottilla namage, illu gottilla. So A value A as it is. An. Do we know the value of An? No. We just write A10. Okay. But you know how to write A10. Okay, how to find? That is using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. How can you write? A10 can be written as A plus 9D. Isn't it? Let us substitute here in this formula. Okay. So this implies S10 value given. How much it is? It is 125. Okay. So 125 is equal to 125 is equal to, or just write here itself and write. Otherwise again when you shift left to right mark you confuse. So it is equal to how much? It is 125. It is given, S10 value given. So I don't want this now, just use this now, equation form. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 A plus, how can I write A10? A10 can be written as A plus 9D is equal to what? 125. Simplify this. That is 5, this implies 5 into A plus A, it is 2A. Okay, 5 into 2A plus 9D is equal to, what do we get? 125. I divide 125 by 5, what do we get? That means I am transposing 5 to RHS and divide 125 by 5. 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 by 5. That is 2A plus 9D is equal to 5 moments are 525s are 125. This is second equation. First equation, we have A plus 2D is equal to 15. Second equation, we got 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Let us use the knowledge of simultaneous equations to solve this. See here, first one we have A. Here 2D, here 2A and 9D. We don't have any common coefficient. Okay. So, if you multiply equation 1 throughout the equation 1 by 2, what do I get? 2A into 2 2s are 4D plus 2 15s are 30. Then 2A. Isn't it? So, what can be done? I multiply equation 1 by 3. Equation 1 into 3. How can I write now? 3A, not 3 by 2. Okay, so 2A. Okay, then 2A, 2 into 2, that is 4D. 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. This time I am multiplying this equation by 2. 2 into A, 2A. 2 into 2, 4D. Plus 2 15s are 30. Okay, this is equation 3. Equation 3. Now, let us solve equation 2 and 3 by elimination method. Okay, elimination method means here the common variable with common coefficient. Which one? Here also 2A, here also 2A. But one is plus and one is minus. So, what to do to eliminate this term? I need to subtract because I need to change the sign. So, let me take this as, write in proper form in column wise, is equal to 25 and here also 2A. That is, I am subtracting equation 3 from 2. That is equation 2 minus equation 3. Okay, 2 minus 3 I am doing. 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. Let us subtract now. Okay. Minus, minus, minus. I am changing the sign. So, 2A minus 2A get cancelled. 90 minus 4D, what do we get? 5D is equal to minus 30 plus 25. It is minus 5. 30 minus 25 is 5 and greater number is 30. It has minus sign. Minus sign. 5D is equal to minus 5. So, D is equal to, what do we get? Minus 5 divided by 5 is minus 1. Okay, D value is minus 1. Okay, now we got the value of D. D is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now let us find A10 because using this, how can you find A10 now? d is equal to 1. Substitute d is equal to minus 1 in any of this equation, either in 1 or 2 or 3, which is easy. Substituting in equation 1 is easy. Okay, now let me write. By substituting d is equal to minus 1 in equation, which one you want? Let us take equation 1. What is that equation? You can use in 2 or 3 also. So this equation 1 is a plus 2d, that is a plus 2d is equal to 15. Okay, substitute. So a plus 2d, how much? 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. So a is equal to 15. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus when I transpose it to, it becomes plus 2. So a is equal to 15 plus 2, 17. Okay. Now we have the value of a as well as d. So we can find which sum now, which term we want to find here in this question, a 10. Okay, finally let us find the value of a 10. Now a 10 is equal to this a plus 9d. So a value how much? 70 plus 9 into d value how much? Minus 1. So 17, 9 into minus 1, minus 9. 17 minus 9, how much? It is 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay. So a 10 value is 8. See, we got negative value here in decreasing order only, isn't it? So we finished the fourth sum. Now let us go with one more sum in this main. Now let us go with the eighth problem in this. Okay, eighth problem. Given that n is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, find n and a. Find n and a. An is equal to, what are given, you write first. Here it is not given which term it is, just they have written as an, nth term. Nth term, that is problem number 8. Given an is equal to 4, Sn is equal to minus 14, and what else is given? D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. What is asked to find? It is asked to find n and a. N how much? A how much? How do you find this? So both the n terms here, sum of n terms also given and nth term is also given. So formula an is equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is for nth term. Okay, substitute n how much? 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d value how much? 2. So it is equal to 4 into a plus 2n minus 2. Let me shift minus 2 to LHS. 4 plus 2 is equal to a plus 2n. So it is 4 plus 2 how much? 6. I just write in interchange the sides. Okay, so I write this as a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2 6. I am interchanging whole set of number terms here. Okay, so we are not supposed to change any sign. You may ask now shifting shift ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ sign change ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ? Here not I am not shifting anything here. Just writing in another way. 4 plus 2 you got 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is also equal to 6, isn't it? Whether I write 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, both are same. So here also, so this is equal a plus 2n and 4 plus 2 is equal to a plus 2n, 6 is equal to a plus 2n, or a plus 2n is equal to 6. Both are same, no? So this is equation 1. Now let us use Sn now, okay, to find this. Sn is equal to 14. Sum of n terms is -14. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into, let me take a plus an because an is given here. Okay, kottiro base mele we have to take the formula. So Sn how much? -14. Okay, n by 2, n we don't know. So n by 2 into a also we don't know. A plus an how much? 4. Okay, so let me multiply here, cross multiplication. So -14 into 2. Okay, I keep n here only itself. So n into a plus 4 or na plus, what is that? This 4n it is. N times a, that is, and 4n it is. Yeah, so -4 here, -28 is equal to n times a plus 4n. Okay, n times a plus 4n. Okay, now let us solve this equation. Now let us take, so consider this as equation 2. Just let me change, interchange na plus 4n is equal to -28. This as equation 2. Let's see here now. Let again we can use now which method? We can use elimination method to solve this. So I want to eliminate a from this. So what do I write now? I can write multiply this equation. Which one? Equation 1 throughout by a, throughout by n. Okay, that will be, if I multiply by n into a and a, 2 into n, 2n square plus it is equal to 6n we get. So equation 1 into n. Because I want to get coefficient n for this a also. What do I get? That n into a, that is n into a plus 2n in LHS, and here 6 into n, that is 6n. So na plus 2n square is equal to 6n. So yes, let us shift the form, this one, which one, 2n square. This is equation 3. Equation 3. Here we have na plus 4n minus 28. Okay, here also we have na. So we can eliminate the first term na. So by what, with the operation we can subtract. Subtract 3 from 2 or 2 from 3. Let me write equation 2 minus equation 3. We get, let us write in columns with na plus 4n, na plus 4n is equal to minus 28. Here na plus 2n square. Right here, this place is not enough. Then this equation 2 minus equation 3. You get here na plus 4n is equal to minus 28. And na plus 2n square is equal to 6n. Let us subtract now by changing the sign. Na gets cancelled. Okay, what remains here? Let me write this as both are unlike terms. Here we have n square, here we have n. Can we add or subtract them? Nothing can be done. So these are unlike terms. So just I write in order. That means decreasing order of the power. So I write this first along with this sign. This minus 2n square plus 4n is equal to, here I can write here this also minus, here we have just constant, here we have 6n. We cannot do anything with them. Minus 6n, okay, minus 28. So let me change the sign. Okay, and for that, let me transpose and simplify it. Minus 2n square plus 4n. I bring minus 6n to LHS. This plus 6n is equal to minus 28. So minus 2n square plus 6 plus 4, 10n is equal to minus 28. Now, yes, let us multiply throughout by minus 1 or minus sign. So it becomes, this can be written as 2n square minus 10n is equal to plus 28. Now I think you got the idea. So we got the quadratic equation. I just transpose this to LHS. So it becomes 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, then how can we solve it? Okay, why? You know how to solve quadratic equations. You have learnt in the previous chapter. Okay, using that knowledge, we are by prime factorization method, we can solve this quadratic equation. Before that, let us simplify dividing throughout the equation by 2. I write this 2n square by 2 is n square minus 2 5s are 10, that is minus 5n. On here minus 2 14s are 28. How do we solve this now? Product, how to solve quadratic equations? Let us recall once now. Using prime factorization method. How can we solve? It is your product, your coefficient is 1. By n square is its coefficient is 1. 1 into 14 minus 14. What will be minus 14? So when you multiply two factors of 14, we must get 14 as the product, and when you add them, you must get minus 5 as the sum. Okay, so which are the factors of 14? It is 1, 2, and next 7 and 14 itself, isn't it? Okay, so 1 14s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. Okay, so now yes, let us take any two factors now. Okay, so sum should be negative. Okay, so greater number must have negative sign, and my product is negative. To get product is as negative, either it's plus into minus or minus into plus. Since sum is negative, greater number must have negative sign. Okay, so 7 2s are 14, and 7 minus 2 how much? It is minus 7 minus 2 is 5. So let us take minus 7 plus 2. So this implies n square minus 7n plus 2n. 7 2s are 14 and 7 minus 2 5. Minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, yes, factorize first group n into n minus 7. Here plus 2 into s n minus 2 7s are 14 is equal to 0. And one common factor n minus 7 and the other one n plus 2 is equal to 0. Using zero product rule, how do you write? N minus 7 is equal to 0. So what is the value of n? 7 plus 7. Here n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to how much? Minus 2. Now which value we have to consider? We should consider the value of n is equal to 7. That is positive value, because n is number of terms. It cannot be negative, isn't it? n term negative agkuddu, fraction agkuddu, decimal agkuddu. So we have to consider the value n is equal to 7 only. So we got the value of 7. Using this n value, what is asked to find in this question? It is, you can find the value of a. How do you find? Use any of the equation you got. Okay? Any of the equation, first two equations you got. Substitute the value of n is equal to 7. You get the value of a also. So by this we can end today's session. So let us continue with the next problem. That we have many word problems in this exercise. We will continue with word problems in the next class. So we can end today's session. Thank you for joining and bye bye.